And many of you are most likely having a hard time sleeping with the heavy rain, thunder, and lightning that you're hearing outside. Just not really easy to sleep with that. This is our tower, actually our camera that is in our weather impact tracker. Cody Alcorn is there right now in the Acworth area. Cody, can we cue Cody's mic? Is he able to talk to us? Because I'll just be curious to see what they are experiencing now. They're in the Acworth area. Cody, you guys are pretty much, I know that we had you earlier taking cover there in Gordon County and near Calhoun when we had those tornado warnings in effect. Now you're driving back from Gordon County and you're pretty much riding along with the storms as they're pushing closer to Atlanta. What are you experiencing out there on the road?
Yeah, obviously a lot of rain, and you can feel the wind pushing our SUV across the lane. So that's one thing we're dealing with. And you have these semis going past us as well. We've seen a couple state troopers go by us, but just taking it slow. Obviously, one concern anytime you're out on these interstates, hydroplaning. So again, we're just trying to be careful. Don't want to get too big of a hurry. Again, as you mentioned, we saw that wind back in Calhoun near Buc-ee's. But we're now just kind of following the rain. As you mentioned, we're seeing a lot of lightning in front of us as well. We're just about 9 miles north of Kennesaw, just outside of Acworth on 75 south, heading back towards the city. But you can see the flashers on. Actually, we have a different camera angle because the one on top of our truck, if we have that pointed forward, you're going to get blinded with the rain, so it doesn't really help much. So what I can do here, though, is kind of flip it around. What you'll see is that's kind of looking behind us, so you can just see that angle. But again, this is mounted inside our windshield, so it's kind of protected from the actual rain. But we're seeing a lot of cars, like I said, putting their flashers on, people slowing down. We'd like to see some of these semis slow down a little bit.